It is 29 degrees. Degrees. We should drink cool. We should eat cool ice creams and drinks. So, and water, cool water.
Come on, form a sentence, man.
ఇప్పుడు దీని గురించి ఒక 10 సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు? 10 సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పు.
One boy is flying kite.
నెక్స్ట్
One girl is driving cycle. One girl is playing swing. One father catching dog.
Hold your hands.
Hold your hands a little back. Do not touch them.
One girl is reading book.
Can I ride?
Look at the colors also.
May I read? May I come?
Achha, she is reading
Can
Uncle, auntie are
Oh, you are.
Very good. Very good. Come on, next.
One girl is doing yoga. One boy and one girl sitting on bench.
Okay.
One boy is taking one girl.
Okay. See, kite is also there. Okay.
One mommy is eating ice cream.
బాక్స్ లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి చెప్పు. థింగ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి బాక్స్ లో?
Bucket.
Come on, 10 things you have to fast.
One
Fast.
boy is
What are the things are available?
playing
Okay.
in the
Come.